Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with Sonic Electronics. Today we have an all new product by Belva. This is their BSAP112. This is the self-amplified loaded 12-inch ported enclosure. It features a high roll surround polypropylene cone. Of course, like I said, it's a ported enclosure. You can see the port on the side there. It's a round port that's flared. You can see the profile of the box is more of like a hatchback style box. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It's like well built. Of course, it has the Belva logo stitched into the carpet, which is a nice touch. And on this side, you'll see the brushed aluminum panel. This is the built-in amplifier that's built into the enclosure. 660 watts max. What's really nice about a solution like this is that it really takes all the guesswork out of it. So if you're new to car audio, typically you need to find a subwoofer, match it with an amplifier, and choose the right enclosure to get the best performance. So with a package like this really takes all the guesswork out of it. So that's what I really love about it. Of course, this does support low level and high level input with the included high level input plug. So if you got a factory car stereo, you can use this and tie right into the factory OEM signal. Or of course, if you have an aftermarket stereo, you can run a set of RCAs, a low level signal, right into the factory amplifier. And of course, it does include what everybody does love is an external remote bass knob. Includes the cable on the knob, so that way you can have full control of your bass remotely from the front of the vehicle. So this is great because it's a real easy install. I'm gonna pick back up here. Now, of course, it also does include a remote bass knob, which everybody loves, so that way you can have full control of your subwoofer remotely from the front of your vehicle or wherever you choose to mount your knob. Another thing that caught my eye is the fact that it is a pretty simple install. Power ground remote, signal of course, if you choose to use the bass knob, which most people are. And of course you'll see it just has a simple gain. Everything's already pre-tuned, it's already defined, it's set up, it's ready to go. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it for most people that are new to car audio or setting filters on an amplifier. It's literally just the gain and that's it. So for more information on this Belva loaded amplifier enclosure, please make sure you visit sonicelectronics.com. And of course, as always, like, subscribe, share. I'm Alan, and I'll see you next time.